Okay, they call me elegant. I guess I'm back again for you.
Elegant.
Yeah, in this world, you come and you go. Whenever you're celebrating your birthday, think about your death day. Cause in this life, my friends, you can only know when you were born. And sadly, you can never know when your time is up. Well, friends, I'm not saying this to scare you away, but this is a statement to draw you to the consciousness of the reality of life and the purpose with which you are here on earth. The truth is, in this world, we are only strangers. We came with nothing, and we will one day, trust me, live with nothing. And this draws us to the consciousness of the fact that within the shortest period of time that we are here to spend on earth, we should try as much as we can to live our life to the best of our abilities. And then we should be nice to people. Help as many people as you can. Because remember, whatever you are or have in this life, you will one day leave it behind. Yeah, the truth is, the true legacy is not in how much you have in your account or in your digital wallets. It's not even about how much wealth you've built for yourself or all the prestige you've gathered for yourself in this world. It's simply about how many lives you've impacted upon and been the reason for their rising. This is the main purpose of life. This is simply why we are here on earth, to help each other grow. Remember, we rise by lifting others. This is not just a speech, this is an advice, and you have to take it. I welcome you all to my birthday party. Thank you very much for coming around to celebrate with me today. I'm more than delighted, and I cannot remember to forget to mention my name. My name is Elegant Babio, and I'm out of here.